Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by preparing the device for a safe update. Plug in the charger and confirm at least 50% battery so the process won't stop. Next, back up important data, photos, messages, and app settings because updates can fail and you need a restore option. Once done, connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network so the download finishes quickly and without extra mobile charges. Make sure auto sleep is disabled while you start the download in Settings Right Arrow Software Update. You now find and download the official OTA package. Go to Settings, About Phone, then Software Update to check available builds. Tap Download and watch the progress. Do not close the updater or switch networks mid-download, because partial files cause install errors. Once finished, review the version number and release notes to confirm the build fixes or features you expect, and if the package is large, allow time for verification so the system can validate checksums before asking you to install. You initiate the install and the phone will reboot automatically. Let it run through multiple stages without interruption, because power loss during system write risks bricking. If the update seems stuck for an unusually long time, force restart once and allow the installer to resume. If it still fails, boot into recovery and apply the official package from external storage or PC. One key troubleshooting tip. Note the exact error code and rollback if needed. Then restore your backup before seeking service.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.